beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Wahl Clipper Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Beard and Nose Rechargeable Trimmer for Men, Detail Shaver, all-in-one men's grooming kit. Starting off our list of the best beard trimmers for long beards is the Wahl 9818. Produced by one of the top brands in the business, the Wahl 9818 immediately catches the eye with its sleek, chic, sophisticated design. It has a smooth modern finish with a comfortable body that fits nicely in the hand, shipping with a range of useful and multifunctional attachments and extras to offer a lot of versatility and trimming options. The Wahl 9818 may have a high price tag, but when you see all it can do and just how effective it is, you realize what a great value beard trimmer it really is. As well as being a beard trimmer, the Wahl 9818 also doubles up as a nose trimmer, coming with a special nose trimming attachment. It also ships with hair clippers and a detail shaver, allowing you to shave and trim all over the body, getting the perfect length you need. The Wahl 9818 has a super strong lithium-ion plus battery too. It has a 3-minute quick charge feature, allowing you to charge it up speedily whenever you're in a rush, as well as boasting an impressive maximum battery runtime of 4 hours. It's one of the longest-lasting beard trimmers out there, able to run over a. Number 2. Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer with Precision Dial. There are so many different beard trimmers out there, all with their own features, functionality, and price tags. If you're looking for one of the best value beard trimmers on the market today, look no further than the Panasonic RGB40S, available at an amazing price. This high-quality, super precise beard trimmer is all you need to get the job done. The first thing you notice about this beard trimmer is its unique, curvy design that fits snugly in the hand. Next, you can see that the Panasonic RGB40S functions a little differently to many other beard trimmers out there. The blades are at a 45-degree angle and made of only the finest stainless steel, allowing for a super clean and close shave whenever you need it. The Panasonic RGB40S works so flawlessly at cutting beards, mustaches, and other hair quickly and cleanly. The battery life is a little bit of a drawback, with an overall runtime of just 50 minutes, but it's still better than many of the alternatives out there. Plus, the Panasonic RGB40S is fully waterproof too, so you can use it on wet hair or take it into the shower. Number 3. Remington HC5855 Virtually Indestructible Haircut Kit and Beard Trimmer. Many of the best beard trimmers are available at quite high prices, and you often feel like you need to pay big bucks to get a truly top-quality trimmer. However, if you have a more limited budget or simply want to get the best bang for your buck, models like the Remington HC5855 prove that smaller price tags don't always equate to lower levels of quality. This is one of the most affordable beard trimmers for long beards out there, but it's also one of the most impressive models we've seen. The Remington HC5855, unlike many of its competitors, doesn't come with a rechargeable battery. Instead, it simply has a power cord that you can plug in to fire it up. This means that you won't be able to use it on the fly wherever you go, but as long as there's a power outlet nearby, you won't have any issues and you don't need to worry about waiting around while the battery charges. The Remington HC5855 is made from virtually indestructible materials with a comfortable, rubberized grip that feels great in the hands and a range of accessories and extras included. It comes with its own travel case, as well as a brush, comb, safety guards, and a little pot of oil for the blades. It features a really strong motor too and highly precise, ground blade. Number 4. Philips Norelco Vacuum Beard Trimmer. In general, when it comes to electric beard trimmers for long beards, you have to choose between one with a rechargeable battery or one with a power cord. It's usually a case of one or the other, but the Philips Norelco Vacuum Beard Trimmer Series 7200, BT721549 is different. This model actually comes with both a power cord and a rechargeable battery, letting you choose to use whichever power source you prefer, depending on the situation. This is a really useful advantage, as it gives the use more flexibility in terms of how and when they want to use their beard trimmer. But that's not all this model has to offer. Arguably the best professional beard trimmer out there, the Philips Norelco Vacuum Beard Trimmer Series 7200, BT721549 comes with its very own integrated vacuum system. This works to catch and trap up to 90% of the hairs you trim to reduce mess while you shave. This is another huge advantage, cutting down the time you need to spend cleaning up after each trim and vastly improving the overall trimming experience. The Philips Norelco Vacuum Beard Trimmer Series 7200 BT721549 also comes with self-sharpening steel blades that offer a clean and precise cut with no need for blade oil or other accessories. There are 20 different length settings too, all built into the device, making it easy to switch between them on the fly and get the look you need. The battery is pretty impressive too, needing just an hour to charge up and then running for up to 80 minutes of Number 5. Series MGK3020. Next, we come to the Braun MGK3020. One of the aspects that matters most in any beard trimmer is its blades. You need the blades to be made well using only the finest, strongest, sharpest materials to provide a clean and precise cut every time. The Braun MGK3020 has some of the best blades around, being made of stainless steel and flawlessly crafted to offer a perfect cut. The Braun MGK3020 is also a highly multifunctional device, serving as a beard trimmer, hair trimmer, nose trimmer, ear trimmer, and more, all in one. Whether you're looking for the longest beard trimmer, the shortest beard trimmer, or just something to handle early morning stubble, this model can do it all thanks to its superior blades and powerful motor. It ships with a range of combs to suit any task and also comes with 13 precise length settings measured in 0.5 mm increments, allowing the user to make fine adjustments on the fly and get the shave they crave. The battery isn't the most impressive on this device, as a full charge only offers 40 minutes of trimming, so you'll have to charge it a little more often than others. However, even with this minor drawback, the Braun MGK3020 is still. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the